This video is being created to show you if you're doing work for a client. Let's say a construction company calls because one of their guys trekked in some mud, and we're going to be doing some work for them and billing them, but it's going to be at somebody else's home. Then this is how you would set that up. So the first thing you're going to do is create a new work order. And you're going to go into new account. And let's say that this person heard about us, this construction company heard about us through someone who works at a carpet retail store. So we're going to look up this person's name, and we don't have them here, so we're going to try looking them up at Brian's Flooring. So it doesn't give us the name of the person, so we're just going to put in Brian's Flooring, closest to where the job is. And then we'll put the person's name who referred us. And then we're going to put in the name of the company and the contact person there. So it was Bill Jones at ABC Construction. And their address is, we put in the address of that company, and then we will put in the mobile phone number. And his email address. And then we're going to save this. It's saying continue with the save because you got a lot of people with that address, or that have that in mind. We say, no, we want to save this as an original file. Now, Bill Jones is having us go to someone else's home. So we're going to actually be going to someone else's home. And their address is that's their address. And their name is Mike Smith. His phone number is 205-555-2222. And then it just says that, hey, you're going to be going to a different place and the taxes could be different. So you just click, that's okay. So now you've got, this is the account, Bill Jones. Now, let's say we're going to save this. The name of Bill Jones' company is ABC Construction. If we want to save it under ABC Construction instead of Bill Jones, we're going to check that box, commercial box, click the gear, and it changes it, and now we're going to save it. Everything remains the same. Still Bill Jones, still same phone number, still same address. now we're just going to look for this job under the name ABC Construction. All right, now this is the person's home we're going to. So this way, when we're going there, we're going to call Mike Smith at this number. Now, the other thing that we want to do with this is we're not going to bill Mike Smith, we're going to bill ABC Construction. So I've already gotten a credit card, so I want to go into Notes, click on New Note, and I'm going to put the credit card information here. And this is the credit card information that we always get. We get the number, the expiration date, and the CVC code. And then the zip code that Bill Jones has that credit card statement mailed to. We're going to put here credit card info, and it begins to populate it. We're going to save it. So now we go back to the work order, and we're cleaning 3 bedrooms upstairs. We're going to save this. This is just a roundabout price, and now we're going to drop this on the schedule. So we're going to be in that area. So now what we would do is we would call the client to set up the time when we're going to come out there. And once they set up the time, let's just pretend that they set it up for Thursday morning. We're going to write the normal information that we put here, 3 bedrooms, that they wanted a budget plan special, 3 bedrooms, and then we're also going to be putting here CC info on file. This way the technician knows that we are not billing Mike Smith, that we're billing ABC Construction, and that it's good to go. We've got the credit card on file. They don't have to call and get it. And that's how you would set that up.